Good noon to everyone. Today we are starting with the narration, and its next topic is how to change the narration or how to change direct speech into indirect speech in questions. We have already done with the simple sentences and hope that you might have grasped the basic ideas. Same ideas are there, but there are certain changes which we will discuss today. So, first of all, the rules, a guide to interrogative sentences, direct to indirect speech, interrogative sentences, ask questions. So, ending with a question mark, we change these in indirect speech to statements. So, whenever we write indirect speech of interrogative questions, we have to write them like a simple sentence, like a statement, not like a question. So, first of all, we have two types of question. First of all, that starts with the helping verb. Use if or whether, like do or has or can. And second type of questions are called WH question. We use who, what, when, where, why, how. The question word remains here. Okay. So now the key narration rules are here. Asked or inquired replaces reporting verb like said and said to. The conjunction if or whether is used for yes, no, mean for if clause, and the sentences change from interrogative form to statement, and then all rules of tenses, persons, and time, place still apply. For example, he said to me, "Are you well?" He asked me if I was well. It is first type. She asked, "What is your name?" She asked me what my name was. It is second type. He said, "Where do they live?" He inquired where they lived. It is also second type. The boy asked, "Can I go home?" The boy asked if he could go home. It is first type, starting with the helping verb. And then they asked, "When will you return?" It is again second type. They inquired when I would return. Now again, some rules. I will explain them again for your revision. For interrogative sentences, the first rule is how to change it. The first rule is change of reporting verb set to changed into asked or inquired of. And number two, conjunction use WH questions. No conjunction that is used. So that is not used in any kind of interrogative sentences before WH questions. Who, when, where, why, etc. Like she asked, where is he? She asked, where he was. No use of that. Then conjunction use yes, no question, and use if or whether instead of that in the statements which are in the questions which start with the WH words. Like when the direct speech starts with an auxiliary verb, do, can, will, etc. He said, "Do you like it?" He asked if I liked it. So for the first type, which start with the helping verb, we will use if or whether instead of that. Then conjunction use WH question. No conjunction that is used before WH question. Who, when, where, why, etc. She asked, "Where is he?" She asked where he was. Then sentence structure. Change interrogative word order, verb plus subject into declarative word order like simple sentences, subject plus verb, no question mark at the end. So this is very important rule. Many students commit such mistakes that they end the sentence with question mark. No question mark is there, and your sentence structure must be in a simple sentence. Then tense change, follow standard rule of tenses, same Same uh, changes apply here, like present continuous and past continuous. If your reporting speech is in past, then you have to change all the tenses into past tenses. We have already discussed it in simple sentences in detail. So pronoun and time place change. So pronouns are changed in the same way as we discussed earlier, and then time adverbials and place adverbials are also changed, like here, there, now, then, today, and that day. Now come to words the practice of these sentences. First of all, transforming questions. Raja said to Mohan, "Are you going home today?" Raja asked Mohan if he was going home that day. My friend said to me, "Will you not help me?" My friend asked me if I would not help him. Shyam said to Dalip, "Did you eat mangoes?" Shyam asked Dalip if he had eaten mangoes. Saima said to Meena, "Could you solve the questions yesterday?" Saima asked Meena if she could solve the question the previous day. Then Hafiz said to Hanif, "Do you really want to leave this book?" Hafiz asked Hanif if he really wanted to leave that book. Ram said to Raju, "Do you really want to leave the city?" Ram said to Raju if he really wanted to leave that city. Now come towards some more practice. The second set is Raja said to Mohan, "Are you going home today?" Raja asked Mohan if he was going home that day. My friend said to me, "Will you not help me?" My friend asked me if I would not help him. Shyam said to Dalip, "Did you eat mangoes?" Shyam asked Dalip if he had eaten mangoes. So that's all from me. See you in the next video with the narration for the next type of sentences like imperatives or exclamatory sentences. See you then. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself and thanks a lot.